Here is the third pole of the earth, the roof of the world. Nature writes the epic of life in the most primitive form. The silent snow mountains stand as the crowning jewels of the earth. Witness the passage of time. The tender lakes mirror sky onto the land. Every flake of ice and snow whispers. Purity is life's primordial gift. In the time untouched by human footsteps, glaciers stand as silent, solemn gardens, reposing between sky and earth. On this land embraced by glaciers, cradling countless lives, every blade of grass joins the ecological cycle with its resilient strength. Every creature thrives in accordance with nature's laws, closely linked to the entire ecosystem. The Earth, a dazzling and unique blue planet, has nurtured myriad and diverse lives. Humankind is not the conqueror of nature, but an equal participant coexisting with all living things. Protecting this pure land is to guard humanity's beautiful hometown. The answers to the roof of the world lie in every life that reveres nature. Can you hear it? The snow mountains, forests, and grasslands await our responses.